Welcome to the YouTube channel of Welkin National School. This is Mrs. Deepa Vallakati, the subject teacher of Maths. Today we are going to learn chapter number 13, Congruence of Triangles. Okay, so children, we all are aware of the introduction to the geometric shapes, correct? No? So this is the circle, that one is the rectangle, this is a triangle, correct? Now, do you know box rectangle? This is a box rectangle, or we can call it as a cuboid or cube. Pizza and circle, this is circle shape. And sliced triangles with the curved edges, okay, this is a kind of arc, correct? Now, general geometric figures and structures, okay, this is what? This is the segment. And this is a ray, where one side, one arrow will going to be shown, that one is the ray. And this is a line where both the sides we can see the arrow marks. This is the circle, okay. This one is what? This one is a square. This one is a rectangle. This one is a triangle, correct? No, these are the general geometric figures we are learning from the childhood onwards. Now let us learn about the triangle, okay. This is what? This is a triangle. A triangle is what? A triangle is a three-sided figure formed by the combination of three same or different angles. Yes, no? So triangle is simply a three-sided object, okay, which is combination of three angles and three sides. Okay, the angles may be different and the sides measures may be different. Now, take a close watch of these things. What you can infer from this, then here the all are the triangles, but they are not a same triangles. Someone is isosceles triangle, another one is the rectangle, right angle triangle, next one is a acute angle and the obtuse angle triangle, correct? No? So let us understand the vertices. So whenever we are forming any of the triangle, no, the three corners we call it as the vertices, okay. So point A, point B, point C, these three are the vertices, and side AB, side BC, side CA, this is the angles of the triangle. So angles we will name fully, that angle ABC and angle BAC and angle BCA. Understood? Now, types of triangles on the basis of the length of sides. One is a scalene triangle. What is this scalene triangle? Where all the scalene triangles are the triangles in which none of the sides are the same length, okay. So ये scalene triangle के अंदर तीनों sides different रहता है, okay. Next one is the isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle we can see any two of the lengths, any two of the sides are of same length. But in equilateral triangle, all the three sides are of the same size and all the three sides are of same length. Understood? Now, types of triangle on the basis of the sides. This is, here we can see this side, okay. Here on the basis of the angles, this is what? 60, 60, 60, and all the three sides are equal. All the three angles are equal. We will known it as a इक्वलेटरल ट्रायंगल, ओके. जिस ट्रायंगल के अंदर जब तीनों एंगल्स और तीनों साइड सेम रहते हैं, सो वी से दैट ट्रायंगल एज एन इक्वलेटरल ट्रायंगल. एंड इन द सेकेंड वन, हियर यू कैन ऑब्जर्व any two sides and any two angles are equal, so this we call it as an isosceles triangle, okay. And in the third one you can see neither the three angles nor the three sides are equal, so this we call as an scalene triangle, okay. Here you can observe, and can you tell me that which are which? That first one is a scalene triangle because all the three sides are different. And in the second one, the two sides, that PQ and PR, are same. So this is the scalene triangle. So second one is a isosceles triangle. Third one, here we can see all the three sides are same. So this is our equilateral triangle. And in the fourth one, we can see all the three sides are of different size. So that one is our scalene triangle again. Now types of the triangle on the basis of the angles. 60, 60, 60, it comes to 180 degrees. This is what? Equilateral triangle or acute angle triangle. Okay. Here सारे के सारे एंगल्स 90 डिग्रीज के नीचे हैं, इसीलिए ये एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल है. एंड हियर यू कैन सी वन ऑफ द एंगल इज ऑफ 90 डिग्री. So in any of the triangle, if one of the angle is of 90 degree, we can say it is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now here you can see one angle is more than 90. Yes, no? So we can say this is as a obtuse angle triangle. Now let us learn about the congruence of triangles. When any three parts of the two different angles, that is sides or angles, or both the congruent, that is measured in the same, we say that the two triangles are congruent to each other. मतलब कोई दो अलग अलग ट्रायंगल से और वो है ना साइड से या फिर एंगल से इक्वल में है, सो हम लोग उसको बोल सकते हैं कि ये कॉन्ग्रुएंट है एक दूसरे से. हियर यू कैन सी दैट the first side of the first angle and the first side of the second angle both are equal. So this is equal by one side. In the second thing, you can see the angles are of same size and the triangles are having the same positions of the same side. So this we can say the congruence of triangle, and whatever we are showing, that sign in the middle, no, that is the symbol for the congruence. Difference between the similarity and the congruency. Okay. When we find or obtain only two congruent parts in two different triangles, then the triangles are similar but vary in size. Okay. So actually क्या होता है, जब हम लोग देखते हैं कि कोई दो congruent parts होता है अलग अलग ट्रायंगल्स के अंदर, तब वो ट्रायंगल्स को हम लोग सिमिलर बोलते हैं क्योंकि उनका साइज डिफरेंट रहता है करके. While congruence means that two different triangles are exactly the same size. Okay, and their sides and angles are three parts are found same. जब कोई triangles के अंदर within two triangles, if the three things are being equivalent, then we can say that the triangles are congruent. Understood? Now one to one correspondence, let us see this how. Okay, here you can see that vertex A is congruent to P, B is congruent to Q, and C is congruent to R. Okay, here triangle ABC is also congruent to triangle PQR, and here we can say that A is congruent to D, B is congruent to E, and C is congruent to F. So we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Okay, even the sides are also shown the congruent. Okay, now test of congruency. Okay, we are having how many tests? We are having total 5 tests. Congruence of triangles, we are having total 5 tests. One is SAS test. SAS test means what? Side, angle and side test. Okay. So in this we can say in any of the triangle, whether in any of the two triangles, whether the two sides and one angle is congruent, then those being said as a congruent triangles with the test of SAS test, that means side angle side test. In the second one, SSS test, that means all the three sides are equal. That means the one triangle is correspondent with the another triangle by equalizing the all three sides. It means the two triangles are congruent by the SSS test. S means side, A means angle. Now come forward for the third test, that is angle side angle test. If two angles of the triangle and a side including by them are congruent with the two corresponding angles and a side included by them of the another triangle, then that triangles are congruent with each other. मतलब कोई दो triangles के अंदर अगर दो दो angles और वन साइड कॉन्ग्रुएंट में दिख रहा है, इक्वल मेजरमेंट दिख रहा है, तो वो ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट दिखाएंगे कौन से टेस्ट के मुताबिक? अकॉर्डिंग टू द ASA test, that is angle side angle test. And this one is the fourth one, that is AAS test, that is simply we can say angle side test. If two angles of the triangle and a side not included by them are congruent with the corresponding angles and corresponding side is not included by them, okay, so that thing we will call it as a AAS test. Okay, now see, fifth one is the hypotenuse side test. Okay, if two hypotenuse things are there, if two hypotenuse things are there, at that moment we can see, if two hypotenuse angles are there, we can say that the hypotenuse, that means right angle triangle जहाँ पे आती है ना, वो compulsorily hypotenuse side test के लिए ही रहता है. Understood? Test of congruency. Let us learn the test of congruency. Here, in the first you can see that all three sides are being shown equalized by the all three sides of the second one. So we can say that first triangle is equals to the second triangle, or first triangle is congruent to the second triangle by the SSS test. Okay, now come forward for the second one, SAS test, that यहाँ पे एक साइड, एक एंगल और तीसरा साइड, ये तीनों कॉन्ग्रुएंट में दिख रहा है सेकेंड वाले में, और वो भी लाइन से आ रहा है, तो ये होता है SAS टेस्ट. थर्ड इट कम्स ASA टेस्ट, दैट इज एक एंगल सेकेंड में ट्राइंगल, सॉरी एक एंगल सेकेंड में साइड और थर्ड में एक एंगल जब दिखता है तब वो हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि है ना ये ASA टेस्ट से कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. द फोर्थ वन इट कम्स AAS टेस्ट. यहाँ पे कोई करस्पॉन्डेंट साइड और दो कॉन्ग्रुएंट एंगल्स जब मैच हो रहा है, देन वी कैन से दैट ट्रायंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट बाय द AAS टेस्ट. AAS टेस्ट. ओके, थर्ड लास्ट इट कम्स, जब कभी भी ये whenever you will find there is a right angle triangle and the two sides are equal, that the two sides of the first triangle is equivalent with the another two sides of the thing or triangle, then we can say that is a RHS side, that is hypotenuse side. Now let us understand this example. Given below are the measurement of some of the two triangles are given here. Okay, इसमें हम लोग को given क्या दिया है कि एंगल B is of 90 degrees and एंगल A is of 90 degrees. करेक्ट नो? सो यहाँ पे जिधर कभी भी हम लोग को 90 डिग्रीज का दिख गया है तो हम लोग ये कन्फर्मली देख सकते हैं दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज अ राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल. सो इट कैरीज व्हाट, इट कैरीज द हाइपोटेन्यूज साइड टेस्ट. ओके, वी कॉल इट एज हाइपोटेन्यूज साइड टेस्ट. हियर let us start. Angle B is congruent to angle P. Yes, now what is the reason? Because both are right angle triangle, both are of 90 degrees. And angle AC is congruent to angle RQ, both are of 8 centimeters. Okay, So I exclude that this part is what? This part is opposite to the 90 degree, that is hypotenuse. Understood? So AC is congruent to RQ. Next it comes, or AC is similar to RQ. Now last it comes, AB is 3 centimeters, RP is also 3 centimeters. Okay, these two are similar. So if three things are being satisfied, okay, so we can say this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RPS by the hypotenuse side test. Okay, now recapitulation, triangle is having what? Three-sided geometric figure, and equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. These are the three types of triangles. Acute angle triangle, right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle are the three types of the triangles. Okay. Now, there are 5 types of congruency of the triangles to prove them same. Okay. What are those? First one is SSS test, that is side test. Second one is SAS test, side angle side test. And the third one it comes ASA test, that is angle side angle test. Fourth it comes AAS test, that is angle and side test, or you can say it as a SSS test, that is side angle test. Okay. And last it comes the hypotenuse side test. It only be done in the right angle triangles. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, students.